Welcome to my YouTube channel Sayanton's Logic Lane. Today I will discuss about C programming language. What is C programming language? Then two basic operators, assignment operators and pre-increment or post-increment, pre-decrement or post-decrement operator. At first, what is C language? C is a function-oriented, case-sensitive, middle-level programming language. It is also called mother language. Now, the question is, why C is called function-oriented language? Because C program consists of one or more function, in which one of the function is main function. Next, case sensitive. In C, lowercase, uppercase and mixed case all are different. Suppose you define one variable RAM, but all are in lowercase letters. Another variable RAM, but all are in uppercase letters. Then RAM, this one, but this is mixed case. In C, all are different, not same. Next, why C is called middle level programming language? Because it combines the features of both high level and low level programming language. Now, what is called high level features? High level means which is human friendly. You know that the C supports structured programming. Structured program means it supports loop, functions, any conditions. It allows code that is more readable and easier to understand. It can be compiled and run on different platforms. That's why C is called high level programming language, because it has high level features. Now, what is low level features then? Low level features means which is machine or hardware oriented. Because of, C allows direct manipulation of memory using pointers, and it can interact directly with hardware through system level programming. That's why C is referred to as a middle level programming language. Next, I will discuss the basic two operators. First one is assignment operator. What is the symbol of assignment operator? This one. Now, how you can define this assignment operator? Suppose here you can define any variable. Suppose this is L value, or you can say left value. Now, assignment operator. But remember, in right hand side part, that is R value, that should be maybe any value or any variable, or you can write any expression. Okay. Suppose I have written a equal to 5. Now, what is the meaning of that? That means always remember when you define any variable, that means in the name of A, one memory allocation is created. Now, A equal to 5 means in this memory, that is in this A memory location, you assign 5, this value. And remember that the precedence of assignment operator is always right to left. That means A equal to 5, it means the 5 is assigned into A, not A is assigned into 5. Okay. Next, suppose I define A equal to B. What is the meaning of that? That means in the name of A, one memory location is created, and in the name of B, another memory location is created. Now A equal to B means the value of B that should be assigned into A. Okay. Next, suppose A equal to B plus C. It means same thing. In the name of A, one memory location is created. Then in the name of B, another memory location is created, and in the name of C, another memory location is created. Now A equal to B plus C, plus means addition operation. That means after the addition of B and C, the resultant that should be stored in A. So this is assignment operator. Next, pre-increment or pre-decrement, post-increment or post-decrement operator. Now, suppose any variable A and I write plus plus A. It means pre-increment. A plus plus, it means post-increment. Suppose minus minus B, it means pre-decrement, and B minus minus, that is post-decrement. Now, what is the meaning of this increment? That is plus plus A, it means A should be incremented by 1. That is, you can say A equal to A plus 1. A plus plus, that is post increment, it is also the same meaning, that is A equal to A plus 1. Minus minus B, it means B should be decremented by 1. That is B equal to B minus 1. Post decrement, same meaning, B equal to B minus 1. That is the value of B that should be decremented by 1. But many students make mistakes in this part. Why? You need to know when this pre-increment or post-increment, pre-decrement or post-decrement operator used as a statement, then they are same. That means suppose I define A equal to 5, suppose int. Then I have written plus plus A. After that, I print the value of A. Now it means in this case, here I have written plus plus A, that is a single statement. Then if I print the value of A, that means in that case, the value of A that should be incremented by 1. So now the value is 6. Right? Now if you change this and you use A plus plus in place of plus plus A. So A plus plus means post increment. But it is used as a statement, that's why same thing, it print 6. That is, in both cases, the value of a 5, that should be incremented by 1, and it prints this value. But if you use pre-increment or post-increment, pre-decrement or post-decrement operator in an expression, then they are different. That means, suppose a equal to 5. Fine. Now you write b equal to plus a plus 3. It means, here you can see this pre-increment operator is used in an expression. It means plus a, it means pre-increment. So that means before the operation, the value should be incremented by 1. Here the operation means addition operation. So before this operation, the value of a, that should be incremented by 1. So that means this value is incremented by 1, that means 6. So that is 6 plus 3. So output is 9. Now suppose a equal to 5. Fine. And I write b equal to a plus 3. It means a plus plus, it means post increment, post. That means after the operation, here operation means addition. After the operation, the value of a, that should be incremented by 1. So here this value is 5, then plus 3. In that case, the output is 8. 5 plus 3, 8. After this operation, this value should be incremented by 1. Now a is 6. So in the case of pre-increment, if you use in any expression, then before the operation, any operation, it may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So before the operation, the value should be incremented by 1. But in the case of post increment, or you can say post decrement, so after the operation, the value of a, in the case of post increment, this value should be incremented by 1, and in the case of post decrement, the value should be decremented by 1. I think now it is clear to all. Thank you for watching my video.